Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this low messy hairstyle. I'm just applying some texture powder to the roots of the hair around the crown area. I'll pop the link to the one I'm using in the description box below. Next, we're just going to section off the crown area and pop this into a clear elastic band. Now make a small hole behind the elastic band, pop your fingers through and pass the ponytail up to your fingers and pull it down through the hole. Then use your fingers to pinch and pull at the crown and those little twists just to make everything look nice and voluminous. Fix this in place with a little bit of hairspray. Next, take all the hair from the ears forward. I've left a few tendrils out to frame the face. All we're going to do is twist this towards the head and then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull at hair along that twist to give it a nice messy look. Then we're just going to pin this with a couple of bobby pins just below that previous twist. Add a bit more hairspray to keep everything in place, and we're just going to repeat this on the opposite side. Leave a few face framing layers out. Twist the hair towards the head and then pinch and pull at that twist so it's nice and voluminous. Bring this round to the back and pin to the head using a few more bobby pins. Take hold of those tail ends from the twists that we've just pinned, and we're just going to add some more texture powder. Now take your comb and we're gently going to back comb about 3 inches at the top of that section. Wrap the ponytail round your fingers all the way up till it meets the head, so you've created a sort of tube of hair, and then we're just going to pin it on the top right and left side with a couple of bobby pins. Divide the remaining hair into 3 equal parts. And we're going to start with that middle section, and again we're going to apply some more texture powder, and all we're going to do is split that section in half and loosely twist it around itself, securing with a clear elastic band at the end. Bring that twist up to the top of that little padded area we've just made and secure it to the top of it with a bobby pin or 2. Next, use your fingers to pinch and pull at the twist to make it nice and messy. Grab the tail ends and bring them back down on themselves so it lays next to that twist, and we're just going to pop it underneath that twist so you can't see the ends. And then just pin this with another bobby pin. Moving on to the right hand side, we're going to do the same, so add some texture powder, split it in 2 and create a loose twist. Now we're going to bring the twist up and over to the left hand side, so just pop a bobby pin on the right hand side to anchor it down. Pinch and pull at your twist so it's nice and messy. And then we're just going to pin it to the top left hand side to keep it secure. And we're just going to tuck the tail ends under the twist next to it. And we're just going to repeat this on the last section, so add some powder, split in 2 and create a loose twist. bring that twist up and over that bun and anchor it to the head on the left hand side. Now anchor it to the right hand side, and we're going to pinch and pull at that twist and make it nice and messy. Then grab the tail ends and then just tuck them under the twist closest to it to hide it, and pin this to the head. I've just curled the hair around the face using my GHDs. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.